Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Daniel King, and I'm happy that you can join me here once more. Once again, today's a good day, beautiful outside. However, I'm inside in my office here, and I just want to shoot this video out to you guys because I believe that I have a little value that I want to share with you guys. For the past few months, I've been learning some skills that I needed to acquire because I have decided, okay, I wanted to be an online entrepreneur, and I want to be able to master the online space in terms of making money online. And the question was asked, how do I make money online? All right. I had to ask myself that question. Most of you that are watching me probably ask yourself that question. How do you make money online? And the question was always a very shady question because it seemed like nobody had the answers out there except for a few sector of people when I got involved in it. And guys, you know my background. I came from the Caribbean, guys, and grew up in Antigua, which is in a small island in the West Indies. It's 108 square miles, 365 beaches. All right, we'll get back to that. I'll let you know a little more about that if you're going to Antigua. Just shoot me a text or so on, and I'll share with you some of the nicest beaches down there. So let me get to the point. The point is, how do I make money online? That's a question I asked myself, and I was like, should I make it an MLM, multi level marketing, where I recruit a bunch of people and basically get paid in a certain way, or should I go to a job? All right. No, I have had many different jobs, guys, throughout the years. All right, I have done banking, I've done photography, I've also done video production, and I'm still doing some of those things on the sideline to make extra income. All right, guys, I've also sold on online to make income. All right, but what I realize is that the world has changed, and coming from the Caribbean, I realized that the demographics has changed too. All right. A lot of people in the third world country, they're not too much aware of the online marketing and how to make money online. But it's always been a question in my mind. All right. And traditionally, they say to go out, start a business, whether you want to do a franchise or whether you want to start a mom and pop shop or whatever the case may be. But I didn't want to go that route. I wanted to know, how do I make money online? So going through that thought process, I was like, okay, I have to find myself somebody that is making money online and follow them, copy what they're doing, and put a tweak on it and implement it. All right. However, there's a lot of gurus out there online. And most people, when they're looking online, they go to Google, just like I did. Went to Google and I typed in, how do I make money online? And when I typed in that, there's a bunch of options that came in. And the first option, I'm a visual person, and I learn a lot more by visually looking at something. So I looked at YouTube first. YouTube came up with a video, and Google is YouTube is run by Google, so Google brought it in the search, and I looked and I say, I'm gonna start following this guy. So when I started following this guy, you know, um, I didn't get any results. All right, and I said, okay, I need somebody that could coach me and mentor me. So that's what I needed in order for me to get results online, in order for me to start making a $10. I just wanted to make $5 or $10. And most of you just want to make a little money just to pay an extra bill. And some of you have, I know that you have experienced it because I've experienced it. At the end, there was not enough money at the end of the month. And I decided, okay, I need to find myself a mentor. So I got up and I said, let me look on the internet. Let me see if there's a good mentor outside there. So I had a plan. And first of all, when you get into business, you have to have a plan. How do I make money online? All right. So I got involved in a business opportunity online. I found a mentor that I wanted to follow. All right. First of all, I found a mentor that I wanted to follow, and I invested in the program that he was selling. All right. And that's a very important thing, guys. You have to invest in yourself. Find a mentor and invest in yourself. Because being an entrepreneur is totally different to being an employee. Now, an employee expects, let me explain this to you. An employee expects to go outside there, all right, and get a job. And when he gets a job, his boss pays him whether he does a good job or whether he does a bad job or whether he does an ugly job. All right. so, so guys, so you get paid according to you as an employee. You get paid whether you do the job good or bad. It doesn't matter. All right. And you get a certain amount, all right? Whether it is $15 an hour, some people work for 7, some people work for 10, all right? And I have experienced this, and I said, you know something, I want something that is lasting. I want something that is stable, because the employer could fire you anytime. You understand, from your job, being an employee. All right. And you don't want that to happen. What you want to happen is that you want to build a legacy online for yourself. And I know you want to do that. And let me tell you something, building a business online is not an easy job, but it's worth it. It is worth it. All right, guys, sharing value with people is very important. It's not an easy job, but people need this information because good information change people's lives. All right. And not just good information, but the right information. The right information. All right. So I decided to invest in myself. I decided to get up, go outside, invest in myself, invested in this program. And and let me tell you something, I gained greater results. All right. But before I gained those results, I had to learn a skill. So being an employee, coming from a background of being an employee, have worked many different jobs, I expected to be paid right away. All right? And that didn't work out the way that I expected it to work. And I decided, okay, I I have to learn these skills and I have to acquire, learn them, and not only learn them, but just master them, master those skills. All right. But sometimes, people desire more. And there's something inside of you, and there's something inside of me that's saying, oh, you know, it's called a shiny object syndrome. Most people call it shiny object syndrome. It's kind of hard to pronounce with my accents and stuff. But anyway, and you tend to buy into a lot of different programs. All right, you say, okay, this works, so let me buy a next program. Let me buy a next program. Let me buy a next and learn all these different skills. But the thing about it, sometimes you get confused because one guru might do something this way, the next guru might do something that way, and you're confused. All right. So, what I just want you to encourage you to do, guys, I want to encourage you to focus on one skill at a time. Focusing on one skill at a time is very important. If you're doing Facebook, focus on Facebook ads. All right? Focus up on what you can do to build your business and capitalize on that business on Facebook so that you could reach an audience outside here and focus on that. All right? If you're focusing on YouTube, focus on doing your videos and basically optimizing your videos, whether you have to do SEO or what, but learn the skills that it takes. You understand? Coming from an employee background, I expected to get paid, whether I did it or not. But the thing about it, you have to learn certain skills. All right. And those skills will, you see, an entrepreneur is different in the fact that an entrepreneur get paid according to the value that he gives his audience or he presents to his audience. No employee get paid whether or not. All right? And we give value to these digital products that we sell. All right? And if you guys like this information, guys, all you got to do is just like, share, subscribe. And if I'm giving you any value that is positive and helping you in any way, guys, all right, just smash that subscribe button there, guys. And guys, I would be just so thankful because this information took me some time to learn. All right. And I know it's going to take you a little time to learn, but learn those skills. Build a business online. All right. Once you build that business online, you'll be confident now to help other people build a business just like you online, because it's so very important that you develop yourself into that confident, positive entrepreneur out there, that people start looking at you. Because what I'm doing also is attraction marketing. People start looking at you and you start being the leader that can help these people solve the problems and the questions that they have in their mind. I had a lot of questions in my mind. How do I do this? How do I build a funnel? How do I build a lead capture page? How do I work get response? I had so many different questions, but I got myself a mentor. And once I got myself that mentor, I started following step by step by step what that mentor said. And I not start following it, but I started applying it and gaining results. So first thing, find somebody that is doing what you want to do online. All right. Focus on it. Invest in yourself. Purchase the programs if you have to. Purchase the programs and learn those skills that it would take to get results in your business. That is what you're going to have to do. All right. Just like all the entrepreneurs out there, that's what they had to do. They had to go through a process. Think about it like this. You're investing in yourself. If you want to become a doctor, or if you want to become, let's say, a teacher, there's a certain amount of skills that you're going to have to learn. And it's these skills, let's just say a doctorate. It's going to take you between 8 to 10 years to become a proper doctor, where you could really start operating on bodies, all right, and doing surgery. And it depends on the specialty in terms of a doctorate. All right, guys. So it took them 10 years before they start gaining results. However, in the online marketing space, it's not going to take you so long. You understand? It's going to take you between 3 to 6 months before you gain some results. All right, guys? So learn those skills. All right? It's not going to take you 10 years like a doctor and a bunch of years like a lawyer and stuff like that. But you need to learn these skills, and then what you do, you teach them. You help people. All right? You teach them. When you teach them, you give value to them. You give value. And that's what you need to do. Give some value to the world, and the person that gives the most value would be the person that has the most results. All right, guys? So I just want to thank you guys for sitting and listening to this information. If I have given you great value, all right, if you need more information also about what I do, all right, guys, all you have to do, go down to the bottom of below here, all right, click on the link, and you will get the information that you need to help you be a great entrepreneur online. All right, guys? So I just want to thank you for joining me here. Remember to like, share, subscribe, please. All right? That will help me. And if this information makes sense, all right, say, if you're watching this on the replay, just type in below on the replay. All right. If you're watching this and it has given you value, say great value. All right, guys. So I just want to thank you guys for dropping. And if you need more information, just let me know. I'll be doing these videos time after time just to encourage you in your entrepreneurial journey online, because I know when I first got involved in it, it was so confusing, sorry, confusing to me. I wanted to literally pull my hair out, and and that was I was miserable, But if you get a mentor, if you get somebody that could help you, I mean to say you could definitely make money online. It's no secret, and it's not very confusing once you have a mentor. All right, guys. So thank you very much. Have a great day and make this day the best day ever.